So in my last video I replaced the crank position sensor on my BMW E30. This was ultimately successful, but while I was doing that job, I actually cracked the flange on the top side of the radiator. So in this video I'm going to show you how to replace that radiator. I chose to use a used one, but I would recommend using a new radiator for the install. Alright, with the airbox out of the car, you can see that we're going to have to drain the radiator from the petcock down there. From there, I'm going to go ahead and take the radiator hoses off. A lot of the hoses connect to the thermostat housing that's right on the top of the engine. After that, you can see that there's a fan clutch that needs to be disconnected, as well as the crossover tube that goes from the left side to the right side of the engine. In order to get the distributor cap off, we actually need to loosen this crossover tube. I got the bolt on this side, but there's actually one on the back side. We're going to take this crossover pipe and pull it over to this side. I used a special tool to remove the fan clutch from the water pump. Keep in mind that this is reverse thread. The upper radiator hose flange just dissolved when I went to take the radiator hose off, but I am in luck because I found another radiator from my old E30. This one's got some cosmetic issues, but I believe it holds coolant. I'm going to use this one for the time being. So this is our crossover pipe. This side is going to go to the bottom of the radiator. This one here will go to the thermostat outlet. Now the 10mm bolt head that we unscrewed earlier was going to be sitting on the outside of the timing cover, and then on the back side of the water pump we'll have the screw in on this side.
Once you have everything hooked up, you're going to want to add some coolant, and then you're all set. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.